Hello, I'm Peter Byers, and I'm the founder and the owner and the managing director of Simple Software Tools. Now, I believe firmly that people, human beings, folks, know what they're doing in their daily life and in their business. I also believe that I know how to make tools to help them in their daily life and business. We aim to make our tools simple to use. Originally, we built our tools to have their own special user interface. And the result was we found we had to spend ages, hours and hours, teaching the users how to use that special user interface. Eventually we realised that users can buy stuff online, can make bookings online, and nobody trained them how to use an internet browser. Nobody trained them how to use Amazon. Nobody trained them how to use Facebook and Twitter and such which. They just can do it. They know what they want to do and they do it. So we said, right, all of our systems from now on in are going to use an internet browser as their user interface. And the result is people don't need training to use our user interfaces. They're used to and feel comfortable with internet browsers. So internet browsers it is. Now I'll give you an example. If somebody goes into a spreadsheet, they need to be trained how to use it because it uses its own special interface. So that's an example of special interfaces needing training. Browsers and well-designed browser-based systems don't need training on how to use the browser, certainly, and if you know what you want to be doing, the system should let you get on and do it, and we think ours do. And over the years we've developed about 20 browser-based systems that you can use to help you in life and work. Next, we ought to talk about where and how you can use our systems. Now, before I do, there's a picture at the bottom left, and that's a caricature of me. And you might say, why the devil have I put that there? Well, there's a chap who builds furniture in Yorkshire. And every bit of furniture he builds, he engraves a little mouse out of the way under the table or on the table legs, chair legs or whatever. And that it's only genuine if it's got that mouse mark on it. Well, my mouse mark is that little caricature of me standing watching what's going on. Right, getting back to how and where to use our systems. Well, I think maybe our preferred choice is over the public internet on our website. Now that way you get continuously the best updates to our sites. We keep your data safe. We continually download a copy of data to your own PCs or servers or whatever, so that you've got it if ever you can't get onto the internet, you haven't lost your data. Second choice, you can buy a copy for us and install it in some sort of protected area of your public internet website. You won't get instant upgrades there, but that may be a choice that you prefer to use. You could buy it, and you could request that we give you the all of the scripts to it, so you could alter it yourself and tailor it for yourself and so on. Third choice, you could buy a copy and install it in a protected area on the servers at your own in-house intranet website. Then again, you won't get instant updates. You could buy the scripts and maintain it yourself. It's entirely up to you. And last but not least, we have a facility to give you a DVD. If you've just got one standalone personal computer, you don't need to be connected to anything anywhere. You slip the CD in and it will automatically start and run whichever systems you've chosen. You might wonder who all of this is for. Well, there are 4 groups of people that I can think of. There are probably many others, but there you are. The first group of people are those folk that want to know about SST products, just for general information, for nosiness, whatever. Second, folk that want to use one or more of SST's products. Third, folks who wish to join us to do development or support or sales, selling, work for SST products. And fourth, and finally, as far as I can think of, anybody who's interested in sponsoring us to allow us to train unemployed people as developers so they can contribute to the development of SST products, or go away and start their own company for development of product. And if you can think of any others, please don't hesitate to tell me.